Hybrid Best 10 with tour of farm. Today, I'm going to be showing you my chickens, my cows, and my pigs. So let me get my shoes on and put something on. Okay, I'm walking out, and I'm going to show you two different coops of chickens. I mean, the ones are fenced in, but the ones, we just butchered chickens yesterday, so there's only a few chicks left in, so I'm going to show you them right now. We have two Brahmas, those are the white and black ones, and then I have one named Peeps. That's the brown one, and the big black one's a Jersey Giant. We can't find out what to name her. As you can see, they're all grouped up. And then out here, I have ducks. Focus. I have ducks, Americanas, turkeys, guineas, black Australops, Rhode Island Reds, Barred Rocks, and that's just about it, and Isa Browns, and that's just about it in there. Now let me show you my cows. Okay, we got them around Christmas. So we named them Jingles and Bells. And they're pretty funny. The tinier one really caught up with the bigger one. Caught up with it really fast. We didn't think it'd ever catch up with it. But I'll show you them. They're both boys. Oh, right here. That one's Bells. This one's Jingles. Hey, buddy. That's Jingles. That's Bells. The reason he's called Bells is because he has like big bell-shaped things around him. And I called him Jingles because he has a lot of spots, which I pretty much kind of named him Jingles. I didn't want to name him Jingles and him Bells. It's Jingles and Bells. Jingles, Bells, Jingles, Bells. Yeah. Really? Right on my YouTube video? Thanks. Oh yeah, and I have kittens. This one's name is Black Diablo, otherwise Negro Diablo. Open the big gate. The reason we named him Black Devil is because he has, come here buddy, he has these like little horn looking things, and that's, we don't really know what his name is. We call him Tiger for now. But he has these little horns right here, that we call horns. It's like hair. But yeah. In here, we have Miss Runt. She's not the mama, but yeah. Miss Runt. Oh, you're dirty. Okay. Let's go over to these guys. This mom, her name's Miss Biggie. And the last batch of piglets she had, a lot of them died, except for two. 3 of them were living, but the one died because we took it in the house and it couldn't survive. So, let me come out here. There's Miss Biggie. There's Bonnie. They kind of look dead, but they're not. We named them Bonnie and Clyde. That's Bonnie. The black one is Bonnie, and that's Clyde. Of course, you know, Bonnie's a girl, Clyde's a boy. What do you want? There's the kittens are out here just playing around. What's wrong with your ear, buddy? Nothing now. But now I can show you the pasture where my cows go out to. Here's the first pasture. And there's the second pasture. It's pretty big. But yeah, pretty much. And then we have another cat. We named him One Eye Willie, because his one eye is like really purple and cloudy. He still has it, but it's just purple and cloudy. Ugh. Yeah, pretty friggin' awesome. I love my cows. My cows. Bells, that's disgusting. Come here, buddy. You knocked your food containers over again. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hold on. I might get over to be able to touch him. No, he doesn't want to smell me today. But yeah, that's pretty much all my farm animals that I can think of. Yeah, that's it. We want to get goats and horses and sheep, but it's a little much money. Just a little bit. The horses my mom wants are beautiful, and they're like $16,000, $17,000. Pretty much like $10,000 to $50,000. Pretty much. Okay, let's cut down some branches for my chickens with my machete, or with my dad's machete. I don't know. This branch is kind of getting in the way. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Ugh, got it. It is right here. Let us give it to my chickens. My chickens love the leaves. See? Go right to it. Let's cut some of these down. They're getting kind of low. Got that one. Got that one. Got that one. Whew. Got lots of leaves. Okay, let's cut this down because it's no purpose. It's just bare right there. Got it on the first try. Nice. Nice cut. Now let's go give these to my chickens. And guineas and turkeys and ducks. Lots of leaves. There you go, guys. Mr. Turkey? No? Okay. What else should I do? Guys, comment down below what you want me to do for more videos, especially like my only subscriber. But comment down below what you want me to do for other videos. So yeah, this is Hybrid Bass 10. Thank you for watching.